For the third example, 4 minus 6. To solve this, proceed with the subtraction. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Then, copy the sign of the highest number. That number is negative 6. Therefore, the answer is negative 2. In this case, just remember, proceed with the operation and use the sign of the highest number or integer.